M0FXB Ham Tech. Take a look here at this node that I made about 3 years ago, believe it or not. So you've got a Raspberry Pi 3B there, Bofeng AAA, CM108 card. And I actually had a go at soldering. I know there's all these taped wires here. Soldering with the old-fashioned components, the CM108, and then I put a couple of buck converters, although you can do it with one, to power everything, to power the radio, power the Raspberry Pi. So what's happened is I'm not getting any audio, and I've just realized that this wire here, and you can see my soldering iron's hot, has come off. And I'm doing this live. I'm going to solder this together and see if it works. So once you've assembled these items, there's quite a few videos, and loaded I actually think the hardest bit isn't making the device. And I made the box, you know, I bought the box and cut lots of holes in it and antennas, and you've got LEDs here and things. The hardest bit is actually loading up, in my opinion, the All-Star image onto the SD card and configuring it. It just takes ages. So anyway, let's get this soldered, and then let's see if we can get some audio. Because at the moment, when we key the mic, there's no audio. Everything works, but there's no audio. So we've soldered it. It's the yellow one here. Move my just there. So what will happen now is I just turned it back on. It will boot. It will announce its IP address. And I just highly recommend you have a go at making one of these. So CM108 sound card. Power supply. I am worried that the other power supply is not lighting up at all. You think you'd see a little red light like we are seeing on this one. So anyway, it's all connected. The Bofeng is what does the radio part, communicating between the, you know, when I transmit on my radio here, it's going to receive and transmit. So it's acting like a hotspot. There is like computer control, let's call it. See this white wire that comes from inside? That's what they call the CMOS. So that's what's sending, I believe, and correct me if I'm wrong, the connection requirements or selections when you're changing nodes and things like that is coming. The commands are coming from there, I think. I don't know though. So let's just, if it's working, when I talk now into this radio, we'll connect to the test server by going *3. Let's see if I can show you. So I've got the radio here, and we're going to go push the PTT and go. Make sure we stay on the right frequency. *3 4 1. No, that's wrong. If I key, listen to this. That's it. That's the All-Star node replying back to me briefly. So we'll go. Let's try again. Try again. So we'll go *3 4 0 8 9 4. Let go. That should link us to the test server.
Node 40894 connected to node 539012.
So when I talk, it should come through. If it doesn't, there's more to fix, but that's enough for tonight. But we'll give it a go. M0FXB test.
Playback.
FXB test.
There you go, working great. Do that one more time. M0FXB test.
Playback.
M0FXB test.
If I disconnect from that, we're using Supermon in the background.
Node 40894 disconnected.
You always have to remember to disconnect before you connect to anything. 41522, and then connect.
Numbers out, we're back to you.
And there's HubNet.
Node 415.
Yeah, until they run out of them two, then they'll just suddenly go. So just keep moving the goalposts so they make it a slightly little bit wider.
I just find it fascinating. You wire it all together. I can walk around the house now with any radio, any analog radio, and talk all around the world. We connect using Supermon. Look at that, live activity there, live dashboard. And we're on HubNet. That's HubNet live now, talking. Brilliant. Thank you, 7-3.